Good morning. It is 10 a.m. on a Sunday, and we're going to start today off with a smoked old fashioned because why not? My favorite combination is cherry wood with cinnamon on the top. Delicious. Grab your butane torch. Shout out to Newport. Thank you for the lighter. It works great. And then for the old fashioned, I'm going to do 3 dashes of bitters, 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. I was not ready for this video at all. 1/4 ounce. 2 ounces of whiskey. I'm going to use Larceny. Let's give that a quick stir. All right. Good morning. Garnish, orange zest. You can use a cherry too, I just don't have any. Cheers.